Math Lesson 72. Welcome, everybody. We're glad to see you again. Can everybody say hello? Hello. Hello, and welcome back. Let's get started with our meditation. Very good. So we have a seat, and show me. Two fingers. Very good. We'll use these two fingers to find our heart center. Remember? We want to focus our energy and find boom, 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 boom. Good. Our other hand is open in our laps or on our desk. And we take a deep breath together. Close our eyes. Focus on our heart center. Try and relax our body. Clear our mind. Once we're able to feel it here at our center, relax our other hand. We want to keep our focus on our heart center. Don't forget to breathe. Take a minute to notice the in and the out, your own pattern. We're focused on our heart center. Feel a warm glow of energy. Focus there. We're focused on our heart center. We're feeling calm and relaxed. Okay, nice job, everybody. We'll slowly open our eyes. Come out of meditation together, taking 3 deep breaths. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Very nice. Nice job, guys. Okay, up on your feet, and we'll do the rest of our warm-up together. What do we do first? Yeah, we stretch up towards the sky. Oh, things are popping. Stretch, reach up for the sky. Good. Find a nice stretch in your arms and your back. Good. We can bend, bend, bend. Yep. Woo, you guys are very good at that one. Good. And then, good. Shake, shake, shake it out. Good. Or wiggle. Very good. All right, then what do? We stretch down and touch our toes. So reach for your toes, everybody. Yeah, and don't bend your knees. Yeah, that's cheating. Find a nice stretch in your legs. Reach for your toes. And then, good. Shake, shake, shake it out. And then what do? We spin around. How many times? 3 times. But wait. First, I want you to spin this way and wiggle as slow as you can. Yeah. So we're spinning, slow motion wiggle. Very good. So 2, I want you to spin back the other way and wiggle as fast as you can. Very good. And 3, I want you to spin and jump. Carefully. All right. So what's the last thing we do together?
Jump up and down.
Yeah, we jump up and down. How many times? 3 times. But wait. First, I want you to jump as high as you can on 1 foot. Very good. Really high, 1 foot. 2, I want you to jump as high as you can and backwards. Very good. Backwards. And 3, I want you to jump and spin. Very good. All right, have a seat and we'll get started. So today in math, we are first going to review measurement and what we've learned so far. Yeah, which includes length, and good, height. Those are the 2 things we've learned how to measure so far. So just before we move on to something else, I want to look at the PowerPoint one more time. So pay attention to the TV and we'll go through it together. Yeah. Okay, great. So we've seen this before, but go ahead and take a look at the first image. Yeah, I heard somebody say doctor. Yeah, this looks like a doctor's office. So if this is an example of measuring, is this measuring length or height?
Height.
Very good. This is measuring height. Remember when we measure height, we say, how tall?
How tall?
Very good. Okay. What about this one? This little girl's measuring her arm and a leaf. Is she measuring length or height?
Length.
Length. Yeah, she's measuring length. The leaf might be, it could go either way, but her arm is definitely length. Yeah. So when we measure length, we ask, how long? How long? Right? And our answer can be long or short. Long or short. Right? Or, right, when we're comparing 2 things, longer, shorter. Very good. Whoa. Yeah. So when we talk about height, then we ask, how tall? How tall? And the answer can be tall or short. Tall or short. Good. Or, yeah, if we're comparing two things, taller, shorter. Taller, shorter. Good. Good. Yeah, so who knows? I heard snake, and who knows the name of this animal? Worm. We have a snake and a worm. Which one is longer? The snake is longer. So which one is shorter? The worm. The worm is shorter. So take a look at the two pencils. Look at this top pencil. Is it longer or shorter? Very good. Teal, look here. Longer or shorter? Longer. Good. So what about this one? Shorter. Very good. Longer and shorter. Good. This is not a ruler. Take a look at this piece of rope. Let's look at this top one. Is this one longer or shorter? Longer. So then what's this one? Shorter. Good. Long and short. Good. Yeah, remember when we talk about our hair? Our hair? Do we say how tall is our hair? No, we say how long. Yeah. Yeah, it's length. It's length. All right, so what about this girl? Is her hair long? Shh, wait for me, please. What about this girl? Is her hair long or short? Short. Good. And her hair, long or short? Hugh, is it long or short? It's long. It's long. Good. Long and short. Good. Good. So then when we're talking about height, right? Tall and short when we talk about height. Right. Yeah, so we've got two different birds. So look at the big bird. Is he going to be tall or short? Tall. Teal. Tall. Remember, Teacher Shelby is tall and Teal is short. All right? So the big bird is tall. So then what about the duck? Tall or short? Short. The duck is short. Good. Good. Take a look at our two trees here. Do you see the coconut tree? Coconut tree. Coconut tree. Coconut tree. Is it tall or short? Tall. No. Yeah, the coconut tree is tall. So what about the banana tree? Banana tree. Tall or short? Tall. Yeah, this one's short. Banana tree. Mm-hmm. Wow, yeah. Whoa, sorry. So let's take a look at this big mountain. Big mountain, right? Is it going to be tall or short? Tall. Tall, really tall mountain. And then what about this little grass? Grass hill. Yeah, that one's short. Good. Yeah, classroom favorite, condo. So what about the condo compared to the homes? The condo going to be tall or short? Tall. Tall, yeah. And then the home compared to the condo is short. Very good. So we could say here, listen, this is a good example. We would say the condo is, just listen. The condo is taller than the home. Right? And we could say The home is shorter than the condo. Okay? It's a good example of taller, shorter. So today we're going to learn 2 new words for a new type of measurement. Okay? Yeah, we're going to continue to talk about measurement. Measurement. But today we're going to learn weight. Good. Weight. Weight. Yeah, today we're going to talk about weight. What letter is this? W. Good. E. I. G. H. T. Weight. Weight. Good. So when we measure weight, we ask, how heavy? Good, good. Heavy, it's a H. Heavy. Good. How heavy? How heavy? Good. Okay, I'll give you an example. So, marker, right? We would say, how heavy? It's not very heavy, right? I can lift it. Not that heavy. What about the desk, right? We would say, how heavy? It's pretty heavy, right? It's pretty heavy. All right? Yeah, you're thinking of heavy things. Good. Good. So today what we're going to focus on measuring is how heavy. Yeah, come on, let me hear you say it. How heavy. Good, good. So that's what we're going to measure today. I have a PowerPoint for you all to introduce some new vocabulary. So again, if you will pay attention to the TV, we'll do that together. Good. Take a look at these first 2 images. These are examples of measuring weight. Weight. Good. Weight. We can measure how heavy. Yeah. See all the fruit and the vegetables at the market? You say how heavy. And then the same at the doctor, right? We can stand on the scale and see how heavy we are. Yeah, how much we weigh. It's weight. That's right. Very good. So take a look at this image. We have an elephant and a mouse. Right? They're comparing the weight. How heavy? All right? So here are 2 new words for us. So we have heavy. Elephant is heavy. Ooh, heavy, right? So the opposite of heavy is called light. Light. Good. Heavy. Light. Heavy. Light. Good. Yeah, so take a look at this. See the little kid with the suitcase? Heavy, right? Oh, heavy. And then we've got a guy with toilet paper. It's light. Or tissue. Yeah. It's light. Easy. Good. So heavy, light. Heavy, light. Good. Very good. So who remembers in health when we did push
Push.
right? And pull. Good. So that can help us when we're looking at weight as well. So look here.
Heavy.
The car, yeah, heavy. Ooh, it's hard to push. Ooh, heavy. All right?
Heavy.
Whereas this empty box, right, would be easy. Right? Light. Light. Yeah. So heavy, light.
Pencil.
And desk. Very good. So our pencil, right, is light. Sorry. Our pencil is light. Right? Whereas the desk, right, ooh, is heavy. It's heavier. All right, so heavy, light. 2. Heavy, light. Yeah, they look like rocks. They're actually called bricks, but that's not important. Yeah, and a feather from a wing. A feather. Yeah.
Wing a bird.
Yeah. Oh, from a wing from a bird. Good. So look at this, the feather. Do we think that it's heavy or light?
Light.
Yeah, it's light. And what about the rocks here? Are they heavy or light?
Heavy.
They're heavy, right? They're heavy. Hair? Heavy or light? Light. Yeah, would be really heavy. Good. Very nice. So this is a rose. Do we think a rose would be heavy or light? Light. It would be light. It would. Light. Yeah, we could pick it up easy. Light. What about a tree? Do we think a tree would be heavy or light? It would be heavy, right? It'd be really hard to try and pick up a tree. Yeah. Good. What's this? Yeah, who remembers the name of this fruit? Very good. Watermelon. Right. So do we think a watermelon would be heavy or light? Really? Have you ever carried a watermelon?
Yeah.
Watermelons are actually heavy, right? Oh, they're heavy. They're big and they're heavy. Good. Especially compared to
Apple.
an apple. So especially if we look at an apple, if we have apple and watermelon, right? Watermelon's gonna be heavy and apple's gonna be light. Right? Yeah. Watermelon, heavy, apple, light. Right? Yeah, they're heavy. They're very heavy. Okay, so let's review that one more time. When we're talking about weight. Weight. Good. We want to know heavy or light. Heavy or light. Good. So we can ask how heavy. How heavy. Very good. All right. So Q, come help me really quickly. We'll do one more example. Hello. Yeah, so let's review some of our other measurement. So who is tall? Teacher Shelby. So who is short? Q is. Good, good. Now let's do our arms. Whose arm is long? Whose arm is short? Tio's, good. Quit that. All right, good. So who would be heavy? Teacher Shelby or Tio?
Teacher Shelby.
That's right, Teacher Shelby. Who would be light? Tio or Teacher Shelby? Tio, yeah, he would be lighter, right? I can just pick him up. Can you pick me up? Right? Can you pick me up? No. Too heavy. Good job. Good. So when we talk about weight, we ask how heavy? How heavy? Okay. Heavy? Light? Good. All right. So what I want us to do for the second half of the lesson is practice this with a cut and paste worksheet. So you all are going to get a worksheet that looks something similar to this. All right. We've done this before. First, what I want you to do is color with crayons. First, we color, and then we sort. Heavy, like an elephant, or light. All right? I'm gonna pass these out. I'll do one example for you on the board to make sure you understand. First, all right, so now that we all have our worksheet, first, thank you, Let Go, we're going to color with crayon first. Then when you're finished with crayon, together we will cut and paste. 1 second. All right, so your worksheet, you have light, like a mouse, and heavy, like an elephant. All right, so you all have on your worksheet, light, like a mouse, heavy, like an elephant. All right, so for example, on your worksheet, I think you have, what, like a tree? Yeah, that's right. You have a leaf, right? You have a little leaf from a tree, which would be considered, hey Pat, leaf, would it be heavy or light? Light, very good. So we would stick it in the light side. You also have a tree in your cutouts. So, Pakung, would a tree be heavy or light? Heavy, very good. So we would stick it on the heavy side with the elephant, all right? So we've done a worksheet like this before, should be fairly easy. First, color, second, cut, and paste, all right? So we're gonna spend the rest of the lesson working on this, make it look nice, and join us back here when you're finished for goodbye. Show me. Sock?
Sock.
Yeah, remember our socks. Cow, very good, cow. Mm-hmm. Hey.
Go.
Key. Yeah, key, I know it's funny. Yeah, key. That is called a stove. It's, Pal, you know in the kitchen where you, here, look at me, I'll act it out for you, where you turn it on and then you can cook very hot, right? Cook, that's what that is, stove. That one. Yeah, that's called a whistle. 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 Yeah, that's called a whistle. Whistle. Yeah, a key. Key, yeah, to open the door. Key. What? Keep mom. Oh, right. Yeah, I think, doesn't key mean poop or something? That's probably why you think it's funny.
Keep careful. Keep careful. This one is 4 equals 7.
4 plus
3 plus 4 equals 7.
3 plus 4 does equal 7. Very good.
100.
Yeah, that's right. 6 plus 2. It does equal 8. That's very good.
3 plus 3 equals 6.
Yes, sir, it does. Great, great. All right, so when you're finished with crayon, there are scissors and glue over there for you. Fawn, color your leaf and your desk and your stove. Color and your pencil. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, so that's called a stove. And it's for to cook food, Nadia. You turn it on and then it gets very hot and we can cook food. That's what that is. Okay, that's fine. Be careful. Good. You need glue too, sweetheart? You need sticky glue?
Sticky note.
Yeah, that's a trash can. Welcome back, everybody. I hope your cut and paste worksheets turned out as great as ours did. Again, we should have had 8 pieces in our heavy and 8 pieces in our light. All right? So nice work today. That's going to be the last activity for this lesson. Can everybody say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.